Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Techer. In this video, I'll be talking about the battery life of the Samsung Galaxy M51 device. So this is the most interesting part of this mobile phone, friends, and I've been using this mobile phone for the past, I think, close to 3 days. So 3 days of continuous usage with the phone using the two SIM cards. And during this test, I've recorded a few statistics as well. And in this video, I'll be going through my usage and how much screen on time you can expect, and what are the different things you need to remember about this phone. As well, the phone has the very good 7000 mAh of battery with a 6.7 inches display, which is super AMOLED display. So there's plenty of things are going on here which saves a lot of battery in the Samsung Galaxy M51 device. So if you go to the battery mode here and if you enter here, so there is a option of optimized medium power saving and the maximum power saving mode. So usually I'll try to prefer to use the medium power saving mode just for the little bit kind of extend battery life. And even if you want, you can enable this option as well, adaptive power saving mode. These are the two things you need to remember. And next, app management. If you go here, you can even tap this adaptive battery, and even you can put unused apps into sleep as well. These are the things which I did enable during my usage. So after using this kind of usage, and let me try to show you the quickly the GSM stacks which I got here. So right now you can see, friends, 3 days and 9 hours I'm using continuously without even charging once. That's incredibly good mobile. And if you observe the voice calls, I did close to 46 minutes. So that's not much for the 3 days. So usually I don't make that much of voice calls. And the screen on time is about 16 hours and 21 minutes. That's a very good thing, friends. And during this time I did not play any games, so I did use only the mobile phone for the couple of reviews which I made, and annual benchmark scores and YouTube publication and watching movies. So only for this kind of media and medium to usage, that's it, not the heavy kind of usage, just the medium usage. And you can see the Wi-Fi connection, how much time it was enabled, and even the Bluetooth earphones also I did connect during my watching of the live cricket match and watching the movies as well in this phone. But overall, friends, in terms of the battery, I am very happy. I did not see any phone before I ever got this much of screen on time. I think my highest was close to 12 hours of screen on time. That is my previous year, I think 2 years back, MI Max 3. I did use that mobile phone, but after a long time I am getting this kind of very good screen on time in this phone, as you can see, friends. So that's incredibly good for the 3 days. So for the longer traveling users, this is the best and perfect phone. So you can easily use this phone. So battery is the one thing you no need to even worry about this device, apart from not having fast charging, which takes completely 2 hours of insane time to charge this mobile phone. That is another drawback. But overall the battery backup is very good. Even the standby mode is pretty good, friends. I think during the standby mode for 24 hours, so for one day, you can observe the battery decreasing of 7% to 10% for one single day. If you just leave the phone side without using, and no internet connection, no Wi-Fi, if you just leave with two SIM cards, 7 to 10% of the battery can be drained in the Samsung Galaxy M51 device. And this is the overall review, friends, of using this mobile phone. And for more videos, make sure to follow me regularly. And this phone has 10 hours of PUBG gameplay as well. I did a video on that one, so try to check that video if you're interested to know more details. And but that's it for this video, friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.